How to delete website data on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete website data on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and then just click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings. Here you will find this one, sites and downloads, and here you will find this one here, manage website data. Click on it and then click delete and just select any website data and click delete. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.